Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Missy B London. In this video you'll see how I transform some lovely clippings that I got. Kinky hair clippings, kinky coarse clippings to all my black girls. Yes, to all my black girls. I mean, here is the box. I'm guessing you've seen the unboxing video already. But here's the box again that it came in. There is the, hopefully you can see it, the website details to all my black girls. Yes. And on this other side, you'll see more information on the box about this lovely hair. And there's the back of the box about this lovely hair. Hey. But you know what? This video, oh yeah, discount code as well, MissyB10. As you can see, I have these lovely clippings in my hair. You'll see that tutorial in another video because I've just recorded it today. And I like to drop my videos bit by bit, not all together. And this video is showing you how I transformed the clippings, how they originally come like this, as you can see. This is how it comes in the box. I'm laughing, literally. Not sure the camera will pick up the clips that you slide into your hair. This one has 3. Actually, let me do that first. This one has 3. And look how lovely the hair looks. To be honest, I wasn't sure what I was doing, but there's a lovely instruction pamphlet inside the box as well that tells you what to do as well. But yes, original form of the hair, and this is how I got it looking, which is the end result, shall I say, how it come out looking so natural. Yes, you can't see my face right now because the hair is blocking. I mean, look at it, so natural. Look at my hair, so natural as well. I use gel to bring the curls to life. But yes, this video is about how I transformed the hair, how it is, or how it was, to this natural, kinky, coily hair. So it can just look like my hair. But you'll see the video now. Thank you for watching. Hope this is useful. If you're new, subscribe. Why did I put my thumbs up for subscribe? I don't know. But if you're new, subscribe. If you're returning, thank you. Give me a thumbs up. Information in the description box, and any comments or anything, just leave me a comment or find me on Instagram, Missy B London, of course, that's where I am. Enjoy this video. I'm gonna go now. I mean, check this out. Yeah, you'll see more hairstyles that I do on Instagram as well, because I do more on Instagram and YouTube to be honest, but I'll drop this video on YouTube as well. I know I just done the style a minute ago and I'm still like, wow, this hair, I'm so not used to this kind of hair, and I'm like very surprised and happy of the results that I've gotten so far. It's like, oh my gosh, really, what have I been doing in my life without this hair? But yeah, let me go. Yeah, see you. Oh no, look at me still just like, you know it's not my real hair. Yeah, you know it's clippings. Yeah, I'm gonna go on to the voiceover. As you can see, I have this luscious hair. I need to prep it to make it look the best as well, and this is what I do. Just showing you the clippings because the camera is closer so you can see it, the lovely hair. And I use a conditioner, as you can see it's Cantu creamy conditioner on the dry hair. I massage it through, work it through with my fingers, detangling it with my fingers, or just massaging it through with my fingers from the top to the ends with my fingers. You just see me what I'm doing, and I let it stay on for around 10 minutes or so. Yes, I add a little bit more because I could feel the ends felt a bit dry, as in it needed a little bit more conditioner. So yeah, this is what I did. It ain't what I do, it's what I did, because this is a previous video. But yes, just raking it through.
so it feels soft. Conditioner makes the hair, or it makes your hair feel soft as well. Oh, I said 10 minutes, I meant 5 minutes. I just let it lay there for a little bit. And these clips have been sped up as well, because I like to do that. Just getting my comb, because I put it far away as usual. That always happens when you're doing a video and there's one item that you need and you forget to bring it, and you got to find it, but luckily it was close by. There's the comb. It's a wide tooth comb. So still raking it through and detangling from the ends to the roots with the wide tooth comb. This is what I do. And you can see how the curls are forming and the hair is looking more natural as well. There's my basin. I'm so basic with the basin, you know, I didn't even use a sink, but a basin with cool water in it to rinse the hair as well. Very straightforward. Like I said previously in the video, you get the information, the hair maintenance leaflet with the hair as well, which explains to you what to do, but I thought I'll do this video to show you what I do as well. Look at it. This hair is good, that's all I can say, and it looks so natural, the end results. But yeah, that's it. Quick little video. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the hair tutorials of me using clip-ins in my hair, and I apologize for the camera quality. It's a bit bright because I think the white makes it a bit bright, but thank you for watching anyway.